Right, so this one is a marble geode kind of design. It's a simple one. It's wet on wet gel polish. I'm going to call it a Marbleode. I'm not quite sure what to call it, but I hope you like it. So we're going to mix the gel polish, give it a swirl, pop it on a palette, give it a swirl, just a little swirl like that. Then we're going to take our base colour. I'm working on a black tip, but we'll take our base colour, and then we are going to use a very thin top coat. I'm using Team Gorgeous Gloss in this one. I use this for all these kind of styles. So we're going to keep that wet. We're not going to cure that. And then what we're going to do, once we've got that with no bits in, we are going to take our flat gel brush and scoop up the polish that we've wiggled up together from underneath, and then lay that very carefully. Take your time, there's no rush. Lay that on the wet gel polish top coat, and you'll see it dispersing. So if you watch very carefully, you'll see the top section there spreading out and marbling and dispersing and giving it a really kind of trippy tie-dye marble geode effect. There's all sorts of ways of looking at this. It looks like bouncy balls, it looks like tie-dye. So yeah, just play around with it until you're happy with it. Then when you're happy with it, cure it in the lamp, then give it a top coat. Sorry, just cure that bit in the lamp. We're not going to top coat it just yet. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take my detail brush, just an 11mm detailer, and I'm going to pick out all the detail that I want to. So you could leave it like it was before. You don't have to add this extra detail. It's just me being a little bit extra as usual. Quite often I just do the technique and just leave it as it is and top coat it. It looks great with matte top coat too. So I'm picking out just some of the white bits, and I'm just picking out some detail just to make all those colours pop. So I'm just laying my brush down, taking my time and just giving it a wiggle. There's no right or wrong way to this. Keep all your layers nice and thin. Cure that in the lamp. I just flash cured this for 10 seconds. And then I'm taking a really fine glitter gel polish in gold, and just outlining some little bits just to make it pop that little bit more. So this is where, like I said earlier, it crosses over from a marble to a geode design. That's where I got the little gold bits from. So is it a marble design? Is it a geode? I'm not quite sure, but it's something my clients love and I love playing around with. Again, this is no good for those clients that want the same on every nail, because you'll see from the finished set shortly that they're all very different. You cannot recreate this. It depends how you pick the gel polish up. It depends on how you lay it down, the angle that you put it on at. So when you're happy with everything, cure it in the lamp, give it a complete full cure, and then top coat the whole thing. I'm using a thicker top coat for this, just to fill in all those little wibbles where we put the gold and the white. So yeah, cure it in the lamp. These next few nails are the same technique, just on the remaining 4 nails. So have a look through and just see the little variations. Hope you enjoy. Please subscribe. Thanks.